Welcome, I am Liz Weston. I am a financial journalist and researcher in the financial retirement market. In this video we'll show you how to roll over your 401k retirement plan to a Gold Individual Retirement Plan, IRA, without incurring a tax penalty. But first let me provide a little background information. In the current economic climate, with high inflation and the threat of stagnation, turbulence in the stock market and many other threats to the U.S. economy, such as global warming, wars, and political unrest, protecting against inflation and market volatility is desirable for all investors. For those approaching or already in retirement, safeguarding your financial future is not just a priority, it's an urgent necessity. The likelihood is when you retire, your only source of income will be your investment portfolio, or 401k plan. Some people think they can rely on the state in retirement to provide Social Security benefits, but will Social Security benefits still exist when you retire? It is highly unlikely the U.S. economy will be able to sustain paying Social Security payments in the future. Your retirement savings need to sustain you for the rest of your lifetime. You need to take decisive action now to fortify your nest egg and ensure a lifetime of financial security. Act now, to transform your golden years into a period of true peace, safety, and abundance for you and your family. Protect the funds you have built up in your 401k plan by rolling over part of these funds into a Gold Individual Retirement Account, IRA. If all you need is help choosing a Gold IRA company that will exactly fit your needs and circumstances, we recommend you try the Gold IRA Help Tool. This can be found by typing www.ira/help.com into your browser. Or you can click the link in the description directly below this video. However, in this video, we will give you a quick and easy guide on switching part of the funds held in your 401k to a Gold IRA. You can switch in just 6 easy steps. Take these 6 steps and you're heading to a more secure and worry-free retirement. Why a Gold IRA? I hear you ask? Gold and other precious metals can help you safeguard against inflation and the type of economic uncertainties I have previously highlighted. Including gold and other precious metals in your retirement plan may be a very smart idea. Imagine this. You've worked tirelessly for decades, diligently funneling a portion of your hard-earned money into a traditional 401k plan. You think you're set for a comfortable retirement, right? But let's face the harsh reality of today's economic landscape. Your money is losing its purchasing power at an alarming rate due to inflation. Picture this, 45 years ago, around the time you first started saving for your golden years, a loaf of bread was a mere 30 cents. Fast forward to today, and that same loaf has skyrocketed to around $3. That is what inflation does to the purchasing power of your savings. That's a tenfold increase. Now, ask yourself, could you afford to buy a loaf of bread every day 2 decades from now? The answer could shock you. And it's not just about bread. Consider the cost of a car. Back in the day, you could drive off the lot with a brand new vehicle for around $4,000. Today, you're looking at a staggering $40,000 for a comparable new car. Will you be able to afford even basic transportation in 20 years? That's why we passionately urge you to consider a 401k to Gold IRA rollover to help protect your retirement funds. Consider converting part of your 401k into a Gold IRA to shield your nest egg from the ravages of inflation. Let me give you an illustration of the power of buying gold. Say you invested $4,000 in gold 45 years ago. You could have acquired approximately 21 ounces of gold. If you were to cash in that gold at the time we produced this video, you'd be looking at a windfall of around $41,750. That's not just securing your daily loaf of bread. That's indulging in gourmet pastries for the rest of your life. And it is driving a prestigious, high-quality, modern car that will last you all your life. So, don't just plan for retirement, plan for a luxurious, worry-free retirement. Act now to protect your financial future and turn your golden years into a time of true abundance and peace of mind, by rolling over your 401k to a Gold IRA. To help you find a Gold IRA rollover company that will exactly meet your needs, we recommend a tool called IRA Help. This tool can be accessed by entering www.ira/help.com into your search engine or clicking the link below this video's description. Moving on, Inflation is not the only threat to the value of the money you have saved in your 401k plan. I have previously mentioned other threats, such as war, terrorism, political unrest, banking crises, and climate change. These and many more things will have caused the value of your 401k to vary. Here are a few examples of how your 401k has probably lost value due to recent events like the 9/11 terrorist attack on the Twin Towers. With the terrorist attack on the Twin Towers, the markets closed for 4 days. By the end of the week, the Dow Jones Industrial Average had lost 1,369 points, which was 14.3% of its value. The 2008 financial crisis, triggered by the subprime mortgage bubble bursting, led to a severe global recession. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 33.8% of its value, making it the worst year since the Great Depression. Major banks and financial institutions were on the brink of collapse. When the coronavirus pandemic hit, it shocked global markets. On March 16, 2020, again, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 2,997 points, or 12.93%. These events severely impacted the value of 401k plans that were well-structured and diversified across a wide range of paper investments. Less well-structured 401k plans were practically wiped out. Imagine if your 401k provider invested in Delta Airlines in January 2020 at a high of $68.24. The unexpected event of coronavirus hit the world economy and people stopped traveling. The Delta Airlines stock sank approximately 67.6%, reaching a low of $19.01. Now let's look at what could have happened if, rather than investing in fragile paper-based stocks like Delta Airlines, you instead rolled over the same amount of money from your 401k plan into a Gold IRA. If your 401k provider had decided to invest $20,000 of your 401k funds into Delta Airlines stock in January 2020, by March of the same year, your initial investment would be worth just $5,772. You would have lost $14,228. In contrast, had you decided to roll over the same $20,000 into a Gold IRA, the value of your gold, at the end of the same period, would have been $24,339. You would have made a profit of $4,399 or 21.7% profit. By adopting the Gold Rollover strategy, you would have been $18,627 better off than if your 401k provider had decided on your behalf to invest your money in Delta Airlines. Rather than a loss of 12.9%, you would have made a profit of 21.7% by investing in a Gold IRA rather than in Delta Airlines. We are only using Delta Airlines to illustrate how paper-based assets are more vulnerable to physical risks, and we are not singling them out in any way. As you can see, gold has your back in times of uncertainty. What makes a Gold IRA so great? A Gold IRA differs from a traditional IRA because it allows you to invest in physical precious metals. In contrast, a traditional IRA only allows you to include paper assets like bonds and stocks. These are the types of investments you are likely to hold in your 401k plan. Many 401k plans have not significantly increased in value over the last few years and certainly have not kept up with rises in inflation. So far in this video, I have shown you why paper assets have fared so poorly in the last few years. The reasons include coronavirus, the subprime crisis, climate change, wars, and the list goes on. By choosing a reputable Gold IRA company like the ones we will help you select in the following steps, you will not only be provided with all the information you need, they will also guide you through opening your account, utilizing a professional custodian, selecting the best precious metals to achieve your goals, and determining where and how your precious metals will be stored securely in compliance with all IRS regulations. These companies are experts in the exact precious metals you should be putting in your Gold IRA. Following our recommendations will help you select the most reputable Gold IRA company that suits your circumstances completely, ensuring the company you have selected will not just vanish after the ink dries on your contract. Your chosen company will stand by your side, guiding you meticulously through every step from navigating the maze of paperwork to making informed decisions about your precious metal selections. And it doesn't end there. They will remain committed to your financial well-being with unwavering, long-term customer support. This isn't just a transaction, it's a lifelong partnership designed to secure your economic well-being throughout retirement. Selecting the correct Gold IRA company for your personal set of circumstances is likely to be one of the most critical decisions you will make as part of retirement planning. With a self-directed Gold IRA account, you will be the owner and controller of your funds held within the account. You won't have a 401k administrator making bad investment decisions for you. You will no longer be constrained by the limited choices offered in many 401k plans. By now, I guess you are saying, get on with it. I want to know how to transfer funds from my 401k into a Gold IRA without incurring a tax penalty. Transferring or rolling over funds from your 401k to a Gold IRA is an easy enough process, if you secure the right help from a proven expert Gold IRA rollover company. To help you select the most appropriate Gold IRA company that best fits your personal set of circumstances, we recommend you use an online tool called IRA-help.com, which can be accessed by clicking the link in the description below, or alternatively, enter the following URL into your browser: www.ira-help.com. We recommend this tool because it asks you to anonymously answer a few simple questions. Then, it matches your needs with the most suitable, top-ranked, pre-vetted Gold IRA rollover company that exactly meets the requirements you have stated. This process is a simple 6-step process. Step 1. Either click the link in the description below or go to the website www.ira-help.com. Step 2. Answer 6 brief questions about your circumstances. There is no need to provide your name, address or contact details. Step 3. The IRA Help tool will recommend which Gold IRA company or companies could best meet your needs. Step 4. Request the simple but in-depth Gold IRA retirement planning guide offered by your chosen company. This guide will provide all the details you need to decide whether a Gold IRA is right for you. The guide will be delivered instantaneously. It will cost you nothing, and there is no further obligation. Previous clients have said, these guides are the most valuable thing they have read, and they completely demystified the process of rolling over a 401k plan. Step 5. Once you have read the Gold IRA Retirement Planning Guide, spoken to your recommended Gold IRA company, and feel entirely happy with them, they will help you to create your Gold IRA account. Step 6. Your chosen Gold IRA company will lead you through funding or rolling over funds from your 401k into your Gold IRA. They will help select the best portfolio of precious metals, arrange the purchase of these precious metals, arrange shipping, and securing insurance for your precious metals. They will also ensure that your account complies with IRS regulations, from how it is established to where the precious metals are stored. They keep track of the amount you spend on your Gold IRA, and then the information is provided to the account owner, you, and the IRS for documentation. You can create a Gold IRA with any amount of money, depending on whom you are working with. Certain companies have investment minimums ranging between $2,000 and $50,000. When you click the link contained in the description below this video, the IRAHelp.com tool will help you select the best company for your investment level and personal circumstances. In summary, in this video, you have seen 1. We live in uncertain economic times with high inflation and many risks and threats that could adversely affect your financial freedom into your retirement. 2. Paper-based assets, like those held in your 401k plan, are highly susceptible to the type of threats we have previously highlighted. 3. A diversification strategy, where you add non-paper-based assets to your retirement portfolio, is essential. 4. Physical assets such as gold have historically managed to reduce the effects of these risks, and provide a decent hedge against inflationary pressures. 5. A Gold IRA rollover may be your best way to efficiently diversify part of your 401k retirement plan. 6. To find the best 401k to Gold IRA rollover company that will entirely fit your personal circumstances, go to www.ira-help.com. Act today, right now, to help stop the erosion of your retirement savings and the ravages currently happening to the value of your 401k retirement plan. Use IRA-help.com to help you find the perfect partner to roll over your 401k plan into a Gold IRA.